how to reset your Tubi TV password if you happen to forget them. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can reset your Tubi TV password if you happen to forget them, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you happen to forget your Tubi TV account's password and you want to reset them, it's very simple. Just open your browser and come to tubitv.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you come to tubitv.com, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you basically need to do is click the sign in button from the top right hand side, and right here you'll be able to log into your account. But since we don't remember our account credentials, what we want to do is we want to simply select this option called forgot password right underneath the sign in button. Once you click the forgot password option, all you have to do is enter the email address of your Tubi TV account, click on reset my password, then it will send an email to our mailbox. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my email here. Once I log into my email, I'll be able to actually see the password reset for Tubi TV here. Now I can just click on this link. It will take me to the new page where I can simply enter the new password without having me to remember my old password. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically reset your password on Tubi TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.